Hello girls, how you all doing? My name is Prefi AGK. So guess what? This is my first braids. This is my first Ghana braids, yo. In my life, like in my entire life. I did it! I did it! Finally, I did it. If you're coming to this channel for the first time, I say welcome, just welcome, thank you. In this channel, we talk about empowering ourselves, alright, owning our power, recognizing what we have on the inside that gives us our superpower. So yeah, and I also share my hair journey, just like I'll be doing today. I also share my entire aging and beauty secrets, yes, and of course my rant. Yes, I do love to rant. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Yes, so I'm back now. As I said earlier, guys, believe me, this is my first Ghana braid. I'm so happy. I love the way it looks, and guess what, this hair is 2 weeks old already. 2 weeks old already. So I decided to install this hair. I think I've come to that place in my life where I'm ready to, push my comfort zone. I'm ready to cross to the other side of fear. So I've always had a fear of the Ghana braids because I used to see lots of people with their front hair, their edges worn out, bald looking. I used to see how tight they held this braids onto their hair. So I just hated the idea of wearing the Ghana weaving. I just hated it. Right from my school days, I was always scared of hair weaving, anything that inflicts pain on my scalp, because I totally have a soft scalp. It's just part of my gene. So anything that has to do with tied braids, I stay out of it. I've always done the usual box braids or twists and all that. I do those, and I do that with the help of a conditioner. I must have a conditioner or have my hair newly relaxed before I do such a hairstyle. But here in this braid, honestly, my hair was having undergrowth, a good amount of undergrowth, and I can't believe I sat down through the entire process and it wasn't that bad. I finished with my hair and I was so amazed because it wasn't so painful. Unlike the box braids, the twist and all that, the pain lasts for about 3-4 days. But this, and the next day, I could really sleep on my back without much discomfort. Alright, so I was really pleased about that. I'm like, so all these years I have been worrying about the pain while I should have been enjoying the beauty the hairstyles have to offer. Look, so in this video, I'll give you the review of my beaded braids. Yes, my beaded braids. As you can all hear the sound. Yes, guys, I know this looks so nice. The beaded or the beads look nice. They really look nice. But I have to remind you. I have to just tell you, I didn't see this coming. They're not so heavy, probably because I didn't put a lot. Some of them at the back, the people that installed it didn't balance the number of beads on each braid. So it's not so heavy, but what I find inconveniencing is the sound sometimes. Like, you just want some peace and quietness. Whenever you're working, all you hear is a thump. And then most especially when I am asleep or trying to sleep, it's so annoying, guys. Like, if I have to sleep, I have to hold my hair and put my hair down on a pillow, alright? But we can't really control our sleeping position, so sometimes I roll on the side. These beads are usually very uncomfortable when you're sleeping or resting on them. It is so uncomfortable. So if you're ready to deal with all the discomfort and have the beauty, fine. but I'm just warning you in advance, alright? So before you start mounting your beads up to this length, know what you're getting into. This looks nice, but it has its own annoying annoying parts as well. The reason why I really installed this weave was because I really wanted to, outside of weaves and all that, so I just needed something to ease me off on the brushing and the constant styling. So I wore this hairstyle as a protective styling, and in case you've not seen my videos, I am on a relaxed hair journey. I used to have a natural kinky hair, but I had to put on my relaxer about 2 years ago. So after I watched Seun Okimi on YouTube here, I found out that an African hair, relaxed hair for that matter, can achieve the length of the waist length, can achieve a waist length. I was blown away. I never knew, like all along I thought the highest, you know, our length could reach was here, where this beads are. But my hair can actually get to my waist length. Okay, so that inspired my whole relaxed hair journey, guys. Like my faith was like here, and it's still here because I am taking full care of my relaxed hair, and it's been amazing. Right now my hair is this length. Actually my relaxed hair is about this length being stretched, so I'm on a good ride. So as you can see, this braid is 2 weeks old, boy. You see, I already have a lot of undergrowth, and I'll tell you why. While I was braiding the hair, I couldn't have done it without my hair conditioner. After I put this hair conditioner on my hair, anyone could touch my hair. Like, if I don't even mind you having 100 people on my hair, I couldn't feel the pain. All right, so this, oh my god, why is it leaking? It fell on the floor. So this is my lifesaver, my hair saver. This is a tea tree and cinnamon leave-in conditioner. It's nice. And from time to time I also spray this organics hair serum on my braids for it to shine. I'm not ready to take this off yet. I'm still loving it. It still looks really good on me. So after this, I think I'm going to do another one. All right, so that's it. So I felt that I needed to share this with you guys. Okay, at this point I've been talking a lot, so you can just subscribe and click the like button, because I know you like the video already. So click the like button so we can continue. Otherwise I'm stopping here. Okay, so you've done that, we can move on. Yeah, so this two have been my lifesaver, and this is my second time using it. The first time I used it, my hair grew a lot. I'm not trying to advertise, but it's an amazing product and I appreciate it. My hair grew a lot, so I looked for the conditioner the second time. I couldn't find it until I found it somewhere in a pharmacy. I rushed in and bought this. I rushed and bought this without even knowing I was going to braid my hair, so it came in at the right time. Kudos to whoever made this. Alright, so that is it, guys. That is it. I'm really loving my hair, and my hair is growing so fast. I wouldn't want to retouch it the next time. I would still want to probably put on a weave or continue with my braids. So I do hope you like my hair and want to do yours. Alright, another tip I would share is while you're picking your braids, I have the cowries here. I have some transparent beads, and I have the red transparent one. So you can just play with colors. You can have like a colored one, a basic colored or two. You know, I was really trying to be safe so I don't look like a child. And then you have the transparent one. Have your cowries, and have the brown beads. It comes in different forms. It comes in different types. So you can see. So you can see like one full hair has this smaller beads. Just mix it up. Let the contrast be there. The beauty is in the contrast. So when the contrast is there, you enjoy the look of your bead combination. So guys, I needed to make this short. I do hope you enjoy this video and you like my hair. Look, I even installed one little one here just to add to the beauty. I did needed to do this fully. I didn't want to do it halfway. I needed to do this fully. This is my first time and I had to pop. Right, so right at this point, if you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. We can connect on Instagram at PrifyHGK here. Yeah, and don't forget to thumb up. I'll see you in my next video. So bye bye for now.